Hi, this is Paul with Golden Gate Enterprises. We are here at the completed job of a master bathroom remodel, and you'll have to see the earlier videos, but there used to be a single shower back in here. This was all a jacuzzi tub about to here. Anyway, we redid all this, closed up a window that was there. This whole thing is rejiggered, and what you've got is an exquisite custom master bathroom. And I'll start over here. You can see the beautiful tile job. This is vertically oriented subway style tile, but you can see it's, you know, not your typical color. It's very, very nice, and it's kind of hard to see with this video, but that tile is a little different accent color than this. This has got a little bit more gray. We've got a built-in bench in here, and the actual drain, if you look, it's a linear drain. It is back over here. You can see the outline, and when you're standing here, you can't see the drain. And this shower was big enough to have a fixed panel. This is 5 feet, and we still have a very wide opening. And because we have a rain shower head and all the water rolls towards the back, don't need a shower door. And the way this works is we have a valve here. It's a 2-position valve. You can either go 1 or 2 or both. One will turn on the wand, one will turn on the rain shower head, or you can turn on both at the same time. Got a beautiful niche with some accent back in the niche. Very, very clean look. This is a nice growy toilet back in here, and you can see the nice brushed nickel floor vent. Little glass shelf that's in here, a towel rack, which is very nice. And here, kind of where the shower used to be, was actually back over in here. Converted all this to a nice, beautiful closet. We built all the cabinetry that's in here. So this is where all their kind of towels and linens are going to be. A nice double door here. And if you come over here and look at this, let's take a look at the rest of what's going on here. So we've got a towel hook over here. We've got another ceiling fan here, ceiling fan there. Nice light fixture that picks up some of the color over here. So that's a nice little accent. We've got a double vanity here, and this is a quartz countertop with an undermount sink. Decided to keep a surface mounted medicine cabinet. It actually has a nice look to it, and you can take a look at the vanity lights. And then these are pretty cool. These are electric mirrors. I'm going to turn one off. They're very, very nice, and you can see one on, one off. They provide a lot of illumination. It's a nice way to be able to see yourself. I'm not the pretty guy, but you can actually see, if you look, the person a lot better with this light around here in comparison to here where it looks a little bit darker. So that's pretty nice. We've got USB plugs over here. All the lights are in. I got recessed LED lights, USB over there. Let's see, what else do we have in here? So we use tile on the baseboard. This is a custom control for the fan. Happens to be an Alexa based fan. I won't go into all the things that it does. All the electronics these days, they go crazy. So that's a pretty good view. This was a longer than usual project because this whole wall had extensive dry rot. A window that was up there had leaked down. We had to redo all the floor framing, the exterior wall, the stucco, and there was a window over here, and the siding was never installed properly. This whole wall was rotted out. Structural framing was rotted out. There was probably a month's worth of dry rot repair in this whole project before we even really kind of got to the bathroom part of it. These are a grayish blue cabinet. They're very, very nice. They have a richer look in comparison to a standard gray, but it's all personal preference. And we've got quartz with the gray veining on it. So anyway, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another beautiful master bathroom remodel. So give us a call, Golden Gate Enterprises, www.bayareacontractor.com. Thank you.